Howdy, I'm Birch at Mr. Bird. We get the question all the time, do our hot pepper products hurt the birds? Well, this is a chili pequin pepper. It is growing wild in my backyard, actually planted here by the birds. Many people call it the bird peppers, and you can see why. Chili pequins are 5 times as hot as jalapeno. They're much hotter than our hottest wild bird formula, and the birds actually love the pepper. So that answers your questions. The peppers don't hurt the birds like them. So look for Mr. Bird hot pepper products wherever quality wild bird supplies are sold.